Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit cryptocurrency onto your NC Wallet account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the NC Wallet application on your device. And after you have logged into your account, you will be taken into the Wallets page. Now, if you wish to deposit cryptocurrency onto your account, just go into the deposit menu at the bottom. You will now see the receive as well as the buy option. You can choose either one of these options to deposit cryptocurrency onto your account. If you choose to buy the crypto, just tap on your desired cryptocurrency and now you will be asked to enter the amount. Type in the amount of cryptocurrency that you have selected which you want deposited onto your account. Your wallet address will also be set automatically within the address section. After entering your amount and choosing the network as well, you can click on the next button and now you will be taken into the third-party website from which you can complete your transaction to deposit your crypto. You can use your bank account details as well as your credit or debit card and also PayPal. After choosing your appropriate method and providing the payment credentials, the amount will be deposited from your deposit method and your chosen amount of cryptocurrency will be deposited onto your account. And through this process, you can deposit as much cryptocurrency as you like. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to deposit cryptocurrencies onto your NC Wallet account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next one.